Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare FastAPI versus Spring Boot performance. We'll explore which framework offers better speed and efficiency for your web applications. FastAPI, a modern Python framework, is celebrated for its high performance, leveraging Starlet and Pydantic. On the other hand, Spring Boot, a mature Java framework, is a powerhouse for enterprise-grade solutions. We'll dive into crucial metrics like requests per second, latency, and memory consumption to help you decide which is better suited for your needs. Understanding performance requires looking at several key metrics. Requests per second, or RPS, indicates how many requests a system can handle in 1 second. Latency measures the delay before a system responds, and memory consumption tracks resource usage. While benchmarks provide valuable insights, remember that actual performance can differ greatly. Factors like whether your application is I/O bound, such as database calls, or CPU bound, like complex calculations, heavily influence these numbers, as do specific deployment setups. FastAPI shines particularly in scenarios involving heavy input/output operations. Its asynchronous design, utilizing Python's async/await syntax, allows it to efficiently manage numerous concurrent requests, leading to impressive throughput and low latency. Benchmarks show optimized FastAPI applications can process over 4,800 requests per second with 8 workers for database tasks. Furthermore, with careful optimization, its memory footprint can be quite small, potentially reducing base RAM usage from 140 megabytes to just 48 megabytes in some cases. Spring Boot, powered by the Java Virtual Machine, is a robust choice for CPU-intensive tasks and complex enterprise systems. While a basic Spring Boot application might start with a memory footprint of around 150 megabytes, this can be significantly reduced through optimization. Notably, with advanced tuning and reactive programming, Spring Boot applications have demonstrated the capability to handle up to 1 million requests per second. Furthermore, careful attention to aspects like annotation usage and database query efficiency can lead to substantial improvements in latency.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.